So it's the first ball from Chaminda Vaas. Bowls in first ball, excellent delivery. As you see the movement coming in, beautiful shape, and the batsman going for a very extravagant looking drive, paying the penalty. The ball going right between bat and pad and knocking that off stump off.
Well, straight away trying to look very positive. Played an expensive stroke without getting the measure of the wicket, without getting used to the pace of the wicket, and see that whether there is a bit of swing available for the bowler. Second wicket. What a start for the Sri Lankans. 2 wickets in a row for Chaminda Vaas. The ball stopping on Mohammad Ashraful. Once again pushing at the ball very hard. And the ball scooped in the air. Easy catch for Chaminda Vaas. What a game he's having.
Oh, certainly this is a big occasion for Chaminda Vaas. This is the second wicket in the second ball. Mohammad Ashraful, the young man, just not able to cope with that slow delivery, which stopped on him a little bit, as you would see. Just staying a bit, pushing, and not much movement of the feet. Chaminda Vaas gleefully clinging on to that catch. Second wicket in successive balls. So the Sri Lanka... Ihsanul Haq, the new batsman. So he's coming to a hat-trick. A hat-trick on the third ball of a one-day international. Chaminda Vaas. The Sri Lankans all round hovering. Oh, it's gone, it's gone, it's a hat-trick! A great start for Chaminda Vaas. What an effort this is. The ball taking the outside edge, flying to Maharaja on the in slip. And Chaminda Vaas, he's created a world record here. A hat-trick in the first 3 deliveries in a one-day international. And that in the World Cup.